Ever feel buried in research when you're just trying to make one confident decision? From exploring ideas to analyzing trends, the work adds up fast. And that's where Gemini AI can help. Let's walk through how it works and how teams use it for faster, smarter research. From your Google Apps, open Gemini and start a new prompt. The first step is to clearly define your research goal. In this case, the research goal is to have a GEO audit checklist that I can follow. For this example, I want to research more about what GEO is and how to improve our blog based on GEO principles. Now I'll ask specific questions like, what are the best practices for GEO? Next, provide relevant context or source material to improve accuracy. In this example, I'll provide our blog link, tactiq.io/learn. Structuring your question like this helps Gemini give more useful targeted results instead of a generic answer. Click Start Research for Gemini to start researching. Your initial draft of research is ready. With this initial response, you can quickly review the contents by clicking the Contents button and exporting it directly to Docs or copy the contents. You can also create a web page, an infographic, a quiz, flashcards, and audio overview based on your research. In this case, I want to dive deeper and refine the output by asking, how does Geo affect our SEO process? Lastly, I will ask Gemini to create a step-by-step GEO checklist that we can use based on the results of the research. Have Gemini analyze information, identify themes, and surface key insights quickly. When needed, you can review important findings and validate details using trusted sources. But research doesn't stop at articles and reports. Some of the most valuable insights come from conversations. That's where research interviews play a key role. Instead of taking manual notes or trying to remember everything that was said, tools like Tactiq can automatically transcribe interviews and meetings in real time, creating an AI-generated summary that ensures nothing gets missed. You can export your research interview transcripts and bring those into Gemini to analyze themes, uncover patterns, and turn conversations into structured research insights. Try Tactiq free at tactiq.io and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity and research tips.